back to school at home. Today we will be dyeing Easter eggs. Here are 2 unique ways you can do it. For the first Easter eggs, we are going to be doing tie-dye eggs. You will need shaving cream and food dye. First, we put the shaving cream in here, and then we're going to add food dye on top. Now once you have your food dye in, put some gloves on and swirl with a toothpick all the food dye around in the shaving cream. Now once you've swirled around all the food dye in the shaving cream, you're going to take a hard-boiled egg and you're going to put it at the end of the bowl and roll it in. Try not smearing the shaving cream. Now you're going to put it on a napkin or a paper towel to dry. You want to dry it for at least 20 minutes. Now here is the shaving foam Easter egg that was sitting for about 20 minutes and you pat it dry. And here is the Easter egg that sat for about an hour and then I pat dry. Now for the second Easter egg, we are going to be making a marbled Easter egg. First, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and a cup of hot water. Then add 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. Now you're going to mix it all together and put your hard-boiled egg in. Now you're going to leave your hard-boiled egg in there for exactly 1 minute and then take it out and dry. Now you're going to take another cup of hot water and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil in it and 10 to 20 drops of food coloring. Then you're going to mix that and you're going to put your egg back in for 1 minute. Now once that egg has sat in the oil mix for about 1 minute, you're going to take it out and you're going to dry it off. Here is the Easter egg that was 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. And here is the Easter egg that was 10 to 20 drops of food coloring. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching my 2 unique ways to dye Easter eggs. Have a good Easter. Bye!